Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a massive Shea haul. I have everything laid out in front of me. If you want to see the products that I chose, just keep on watching. I do these types of videos all the time. I have a Shea playlist down below. I do full faces, I do hauls literally all the time. So if you want to see those, of course, check those out and subscribe and stick around and all of that. And I do have a couple updates about my last Shea haul as well. So if you want to see all of that information, just keep on watching. If you guys remember the situation with this little baby plant, I actually got a little pot for it. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it. It broke off. We're going to remove the little sticker. We're going to do this together because it's just kind of been there, but I need a home for it. So this is called their artificial succulent if you are interested in it. Little baby plant. So I actually did buy the little pot for it. This is their pink. It just says pink. It's a pink little vase situation. It was $133 from the Oki line. Looks like that. It's like pink, but it almost looks like orangey vibes. Looks like that. Has that little artificial grass on it. And I also did pick up these little decorative rocks, so we can kind of play with these as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these. These were $133. We're gonna stick the succulent in its home. Okay. We're gonna have to like place her behind us somewhere. And then I'm gonna take the little decorative rocks and kind of do this moment to kind of hold it up. I don't think I'm gonna use all of them. This is so cute. Okay, she's a little crooked. This is so cute. All right, now my little succulent has a little home. How cute is that? The little decorative rocks look amazing. So I'm gonna see if I could place it somewhere like behind me. I think that's like a good spot for now. Are you guys gonna be able to see it? Oh, cute. And I think it's such an inexpensive way to bring in nature into your home. So cute. And now I have some more decorative rocks if I need them. All right, and as for the vase purchased last time, it was this one here. It retailed for $188. I went ahead and purchased a little flower arrangement. I honestly don't know what this one is. I'm gonna see how it looks. And this is actually one that I didn't have to cut. It's like the perfect size. You have to play with it a little bit, kind of fix the leaves. Looks like that. I think it looks really cute. Not sure where exactly it's gonna go, but honestly, it's really nice. So really love that. I went ahead and picked up some more fuzzy socks. These are the ones that were giving me like green sheet kind of vibes. They just added these to the site, and I love these little scrunchy socks. They're just so soft and they feel so nice, especially after a good shower. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in with my other socks. I love their fuzzy socks. They're so good and they last such a long time. So if you're into fuzzy socks, they have a bunch of other colors. I definitely went ahead and chose this one, but I have some other colors as well. So I'm doing the more miscellaneous things first. I also went ahead and picked up some more of these multi-purpose mount holders. If you guys have been here, you guys know I use these for my palette. So I just placed it on the wall, and then you could put like a palette on here to hold. But I needed some more, so I went ahead and bought 2 more of these. And then I also picked up 2 more of the other types of hooks, which looks like that. These are just their traditional wall hooks. So they come in clutch whenever you need to hang something, because they already have that adhesive on the back. And these little hooks retail for $1, and these like bigger ones were $133. So good. And I do have a little bit of a vision to put these on the wall. These are their little pink things. What are these called? It's a little thing. So these are their skincare stands. These are just little organizer. It's meant to separate and sort your things. So these are the little like papers that come with them. So basically they look like so. I do have a couple of clear ones, but I wanted some pink ones to go with my decor. So I also picked up those hooks so I can put these on the wall. So I'm gonna see what exactly I'm gonna put on these little organizers, but we'll see, and I'll show you guys the result as well. They also come with a little like thing on the back. And this was super random, but I went ahead and picked up a shower curtain. It comes with 12 curtain rings, and this was from the Oki line. It is just a transparent vibe. You just never know when you're gonna need one of these, so I went ahead and picked the one up just so I can have a backup. And again, it does come with the rings, and it's just a transparent curtain for your restroom. All right, so now we're gonna get into the beauty products. First off, we got the Papa Froyo lip balm. So this is one that I kind of debated on. I wasn't sure if I wanted to pick it up or not. It comes in a couple other scents. This is the one that kind of called out to me the most. I think the packaging is super cute, but I do already have a lot of lip balms, so I wasn't sure should I pick it up or not. But I'm so glad that I did. Look at this packaging. It is so beautiful. So when you open it, let's take a look at how it looks. It looks like so, right? I'm so happy that it's not like a tub of lip balm. This is a much easier to use. It smells so good. Yes, so I'm so excited to use this. I can't wait to try it out in another full face of Shea. I do those all the time, as I mentioned. So I also did go ahead and repurchase the Shea Studio, what is this called? Perfect Filter Face Primer. I actually have picked it up a couple of hauls back, but it was open, it was leaking, and it was just like a mess. So I went ahead and repurchased a new tube, and this one seems to be very much clean and intact. So happy about that. I picked up another Candy Pop lip gloss. So this is in the shade Fairy. These retail for $155 on the site. So I also have a like more purpley one. Let me grab it. Yeah, it's like right behind me. But there's a look at that. It looks like a little candy. So it looks like that. It comes with the little doe foot applicator. Oh my gosh, this one smells different. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. So it is like a dual color, or like a gradient kind of situation. It is like on the clearer side, but these are adorable. So I went ahead and picked up a different color. I went ahead and picked up 2 hand lotions. So one of them is the Difeel Rosemary Luxury Hand Cream. I love picking up different hand creams, trying them out. And then we have my fave luxury hand cream, and this is the shea butter one. This one's so good. Love it. Actually, I'm going through one of these already, so love this, especially for the body. Feels really nice. It's like a body butter kind of vibe. It is like more on the thicker side. Feels amazing. I also picked up 2 of these little like body shimmers. These are their Axos Glow Dust Body Shimmer Roller. So we have 2 different shades here. I picked up the more pink and the more golden one. So look at the packaging. So there's like the front of the little character, and then on the back, isn't that so cute? So I'm not the biggest fan of like glitter on the body, to be honest. Oh, there's a swatch of that. That was so easy. Okay, I'm gonna try not to make a mess with these. Let me go ahead and open the golden one. This one's more definitely leaning on the more orangey side. How cute is the packaging? So I don't know how I'm gonna use these, but I thought they were cute, so I went ahead and picked up 2 different shades. So I went ahead and picked up all 4 of their new little eyeshadow palettes from that same body shimmer line. And can I say that this order actually took a long time to get to me? I think that's why it took me a while to film, because they were having like some weather issues or something. So it took like about a month to get all this in. So I'm yet to place another order just yet on Shea. It just took way too long. And I did already film my Temu haul, which I feel like those take a little less time to get to me. I don't know. But this is the first little eyeshadow palette, and this one's in Fan Club. These are so cute, and I love how thin they are. How beautiful is that color story in Fan Club? Next one looks like so. This one here is in Trainee. I honestly don't know where these little characters are from. They're just like random ones. There's a look at that color story. Super beautiful. And you do get an orange in here. This is more on like the lighter side. And each one of these little palettes retail for $188. Here is the next one. This one here is in Agayo. Same little packaging as this one here. I'm going to see how they look together, but there's a look at that color story. These are the 2 little green palettes side by side. And the last one is in I Smiles. So like I Smiles. Super cute. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Looks like that. Let me compare it to the other pink one. Looks like that. The 2 little pink palettes side by side. And lastly, we have 4 of those little new palettes from the Southern Charm collection. So I did go ahead and pick up all 4 of them. These retail for $1 each. All right, so each one of these comes with a little like sponge applicator in there. This one here is in Porch Swing. I'm gonna get rid of those little applicators. There's the Trio Love Swing. Oh no, Porch Swing. This one here is in Quaint. Super pretty as well. Oh, I'm loving that like middle shade. This one here is in Sweet Tea. Lastly, we have this one in Honeysuckle. Lastly, I went ahead and picked up one of their new setting powders. This one here is the Puff and Set setting powder in Brighten. So I heard someone else say that they actually repackaged their old setting powders, which I actually have 2 of them here, and they repackaged them and made these. These actually retail for a little more than $1. I think it was like $1.55 or something, but it is part of their charity line. So I did already kind of open this and try to see how it looked. Comes with a little puff. There is the shade Brightening, and it looks very interesting. I thought it was going to be much bigger, but compared to the old one, I can see why it's so small, and it looks like that. And you do get the little puff with it, but this is the last product. I can't wait to try everything on the face and see how everything works. If you want to see that, of course, subscribe, like this video so I can keep making them, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.